PDF number 11, depreciation final value. So number 10 deals with appreciation, that's an increase. Number 11 deals with depreciation, that's a decrease. So it reads, depreciation final value. Calculate the depreciated value of a commodity to get the final value. Example, Mr. Joseph bought a car for $50,000. The value depreciated by 10%. What is the final value? So here again, you have the common approach and you have the flexible approach. For the common approach, you begin by taking 10% off the 50,000. Step number 1. So that's 10 over 100 times 50,000, because we know off means multiply in fractions, and that's 5,000. And step number 2, you subtract. You subtract because you are depreciating. If you appreciating, you add. If you depreciating, you subtract. So now you subtract 50,000 by 5,000 to give you 45,000, and the final value of that car will be 45,000. Now if you apply the flexible approach now, you first use the 100%. You always start with the 100%, but you subtract it by 10% because you are depreciating. So you have 100%, subtract 10% will give us 90%. You convert 90% to a decimal, you divide by 100, that's 0.9. And step number 2, then you multiply the 0.9 to the 50,000, and you're getting back the same 45,000, and your final value will be 45,000. So again, you must have your pencil, your pen, and your paper, your calculator ready, your math kit always at hand, and you are writing this down. Practice the example, both approaches, and then attempt the 2 examples that are there. All right? So continue practicing. Depreciation, final value. Practice the common approach and the flexible approach.